In India's fight against coronavirus, the Union Health Ministry has issued guidelines for home quarantine during coronavirus outbreak. Here is all you need to know about it. What is home quarantine? While isolation separates sick people from people who are not sick, home quarantine separates those who were exposed to a contagious disease and who are then observed to see if they too become sick at home. How is home quarantine to be done? During the 14-day home quarantine period, a person is confined to a well-ventilated single room with an attached or a separate toilet at home. Another family member may stay in the same room but at a distance of at least 1 meter. The person needs to stay away from elderly people, pregnant women, children, and persons with comorbidities within the household. All gatherings have to be avoided, and the person should not share any items such as eating utensils, towels, bedding, etc. with anyone at home and should wear a mask at all times. Used masks should be disinfected using ordinary bleach solution or sodium hypochlorite solution and then disposed of by burning or deep burial. Is home quarantine known to control spread of a disease? Home quarantine has so far turned out to be a very effective means of infection control. If a person successfully completes the quarantine but then comes in contact with a COVID-19 patient, there will then arise the need to follow another fortnight of home quarantine, said Dr. R.R. Gangakhedkar, head of the Division of Epidemiology and Communicable Diseases, Indian Council of Medical Research. Who needs to be in home quarantine? Every person who has come in contact with a suspected or confirmed case of COVID-19 needs to be in home quarantine. The virus is highly contagious and has an incubation period of 14 days, during which a person may stay asymptomatic and yet be capable of spreading the virus. A contact of a COVID-19 patient is defined as: first, a person living in the same household as a COVID-19 case. Second, a person having had direct physical contact with a COVID-19 case or his or her infectious secretions without recommended personal protective equipment or with a possible breach of PPE. Third, a person who was in a closed environment or had face-to-face contact with a COVID-19 case at a distance of within 1 meter, including air travel. What precautions are necessary for family members of a person in home quarantine? Only one designated family member who needs to wear a mask and gloves at all times should be the caregiver. In case the person being quarantined becomes symptomatic, all his or her close contacts will be home quarantined for 14 days and followed up for an additional 14 days or till the report of such case turns out negative on lab testing, say the guidelines. A very important aspect of the process of home quarantine is disinfection and cleaning of all surfaces possibly contacted by the person with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Toilet surfaces have to be cleaned with phenolic disinfectants or other household bleaching solutions. Clothes have to be washed separately. In the face of an unknown virus wreaking havoc across the world, it is better to be safe than sorry.